In this video, I will show you how to download any elements from Canva. When you try to download a single element, Canva can't allow you to download it. But I will show you a trick which is used to download any single element on Canva easily and use it anywhere. First, you have to add one more element to the design and make it as short as you can and hide it anywhere within your element. Now you can download this element without any restriction. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.